I feel that the forces, my God, and the entire sequence of events are preparing me to soon become the Regina of my lineage. I understand that I can take on this role from four directions simultaneously. I was raised as the Regina of my mother's side from an early age and received knowledge. On my father's side, witchcraft and skills are passed down through women. I also feel that, through both marriages, it may be my destiny to lead the members of the lineage. Is it possible to be the Regina of several kins, and how should one handle this? According to the algorithm, no. A Regina is a Regina precisely because she is one. If a Regina becomes the ruler of two bloodlines, it means that these families have undergone a merger. Perhaps they are blood relatives. It's just that at the core of each bloodline, there was a division based on a certain parameter. For example, one blood relative is a carpenter and the other is a blacksmith. And they decided to build their bloodline as a professional one. Accordingly, they separate, branching off. But if a Regina appears, for example, you, who does not separate the carpenter and the blacksmith, but unites them under one parameter, professional or master, then they merge back together. And then there is no division of bloodlines anymore. They become one kin under the leadership of one Regina. I believe that in your case, it will work out exactly like that. And in any other case, it works the same way. If the same Regina is chosen by two lineages, those lineages become one whole, because the mother is always one, and the Regina is the mother, and she is one. So, accordingly, the bloodline will be united as well. Most likely, this is exactly what you should be preparing for, and you should already start thinking about by what criteria, by what law, by what rule you will unite all your relatives, that is, the branches under your care.